Hello, my name is David and I am super excited to be teaching the Excel course coming up. I'm obsessed with Excel more than anyone you'll ever meet. I have a YouTube channel about it with almost 20,000 subscribers, and I'm considered by Microsoft to be in the top 100 or so Excel people in the world because I have got the Microsoft MVP award for the last 5 years. We're going to cover a lot of cool stuff on this course, and it's kind of applicable to anyone using Excel for 30 minutes per day or more on average. And I love wearing this t-shirt as well. So we'll be looking at data analysis tools like interactive dashboards and pivot tables. We'll be looking at advanced formulas, how to record data effectively, and how to clean up messy data with tools like Power Query, and also just how to set up data robustly and make it as fast as possible with speed up tricks. Hope to see you at the course.